Third party has come up here. Okay, so if you're in a third party situation, this will be for you. So we have a kind of stop. There's a stop dead in the energy. There's something happening here with the third party. It could be a water sign, so that is Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. It could be you, could be the third party, could be your person. It's just showing here in the dark something is going on here. So this person feels as if they know there's something going on, or they maybe have found out something. They have no facts, but they're looking for them. Okay, this is a twist of fate here. Okay, it's definitely showing that this is meant to happen October time. Okay, this person is wondering what's happening here. Maybe they're suspecting their partner of something. And there is a lot of bitterness going on here. There's a lot of arguing, hurtful words, digging for dirt. This person is trying to find out about you. Okay, so this could be for the girls. Okay, there could be another girl looking for your information, trying to find out, work out who you are. And it just shows here things have messed up in their situation, and so the cat is out of the bag. I feel like this person's moving in silence, and that's being done for a reason, because like we said earlier, they've not got any facts yet, but they have an inkling. Call it a woman's intuition, call it what you want, but this person knows. And she doesn't want any competition. She's coming for you. It just shows you need to look over your shoulder. That actually says competition, enemy, the other woman. So whether you're the other woman or whether you've just found out about the other woman, this is going to be a bit chaotic. There's a lot of heartache here. It's showing girl fights. Definitely for the ladies out there. So if you're involved with a man who's got somebody else, you better be aware that this is, we've got more signs there. So earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person is trying to find you in some way or another, looking here, there and everywhere, and it shows you're about to have something shocking happen, or she's had a shock because there's a picture. So if he's got pictures of you on his phone, she's found them, and now she's trying to work out who you are. It does keep showing here there's a lot of pain, there's a lot of heartache, but it keeps showing there's going to be that shock attack on there, and shock on that other card. So I would say that this person's coming for you, and you really need to be careful. I feel like she's sad, she's crying over you, and that's fair enough, but be mindful. That relationship probably wasn't healthy, hence yeah, it just shows there's a lot of conflict that was going on in there. Okay, fake account. This person may be trying to contact you off a fake account, maybe making a fake account. It says fake social media, accounts to spy, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. So be careful if anybody new follows you, be mindful of what's going on, but she is aware of you and she is trying to contact you possibly. She's seeing you as Queen Bee and it's annoying her. I know this word, it's really annoying her. So she is not happy that you're secure and confident and with her man, or what she thinks is her man. It does just show here there's definitely feelings between you and this other person, so she's aware of that. Maybe she's read some messages and seen that, you know, her guy actually is in love with you, has real feelings. She's supposed to be learning a karmic lesson, but instead of doing that, she's coming for you. It just shows she's very codependent on your person, so she's obsessive, possessive, tries to emotionally block him from moving anywhere, whether she's kind of manipulating him in a way. Could be children, could be money, could be all kinds of things. They're asking you to let this play out so you don't have to do anything in this situation, but know that it's coming. She'll make anything up to make you look bad, so that's why I'm saying don't do anything, don't speak. Definitely looking for information. She's going to get more than she's begging for, because when this is all revealed, it's going to be bad for her. It's going to be downhill for her. It's just showing this may take a while to fully play out. I feel as though you and this person have been trying to resist one another, but it's impossible. The feelings and the connection that is there is just kind of, you know, you can't ignore it. But this third party is going to have a breakdown over this if he tries to leave. Lots of arguing, lots of chaos. You are being watched. Just remember, everything you're doing right now is being watched by this person, and they're going to try and cause you a problem with this other person that you're involved with. So be careful. Patience is required. Don't take any action. Just wait and see how this all pans out. But no, it's coming.